I gotta give myself a I remember when I was like 16, I'd want to go to oh my god, Tinder, your name leaked. No. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna puke. Yeah. How long? That's too guys. Guys, let's listen to that song. Oh my god, I know that song. Inject me with laxatives. They put her on the back of a book. Did you guys know? Well, I'm glad. Anyways, gotta get sleep. I have some Spider-Man. Oh my god. He's good at everything.
I promise. Rigby?
I don't think so. Oh. Oh fuck. Negative. No, we're gonna play Labyrinthine. I would give you a good, but like, the couch is like, ass period.
Should I bring you on? Never mind.
A big fat no. I look so dumb. He's literally lying. He's literally. I know. Thanks, Dylan. How was your day? What'd you do? So why not freaking play it? I'll be sick. Oh. Oh. What, are you homophobic? This is what separates girls from women. Mundo. I'm gonna run from Mundo. Oh, my longest. Or do you just throw? My hair is too. Oh. I also have a black uncle. I'm looking.
Hungry.
But the water was like all dry. I love food. Fucking lip piercing. She's lesbian, not gay. Otherwise, you're gonna run into that shit during your relationship. And one of my my pizza has 3 minutes. And I'm gay. And so does everyone that is sub. What is that? Guys, I think
You just blowing from stupid
so I graduated at the tail end of COVID after is that normal? No. But yeah, I agree, bruh. Oh my god, help.
Oh, two bitch ass rocketeer around.
Brandon Rogers, you remember that video we watched?
Goddamn.
Give it up for the bubble. Oh my god.
Never use arpeggio.
I just recycled it.
I used it once.
Doo-doo fart. Buried City. You have a gun? Guys.
Tonight. He'll be out tomorrow. He already said he doesn't want to press charges. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I won't never be well.
Can I have what's left? Yeah. Ugh. Where's burp ref, bruh?
I don't even want a sentinel spawn on dam. Actually, oh really? Yeah.
All right, 1965. Chargers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just bought some.
No. Trust.
Yeah. The game's still pretty good, Mr. Doctor. We're just farming. Was that 2 teams? Oh.
Any paddleboat I see him. Oh, it's all?
I went there like 2 days ago. And like the big huge water jug. Alright, I'm ordering my Taco Bell. Oh! Oh my god. Drivers just love turning in front of you. Marvin. I could have it. No, my piercing's fine.
Right there.
The links. I was a brother at one point. I know Jay told me, bruh. No, it wasn't anything bad or anything. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Salmon. Hi, Tismo. Hi, Tismo. What are you doing? I would just hide in the bathroom.
Damn. Costco guys.
If I worked at Costco and some guys started giving me booms, I'd...
Oh, I'm dying. See, like... someone hacked Ubisoft and gave everyone oh my god. No! This one. That one's pretty good. Oh my god. EXO, go piss girl, slay. I don't remember. What flavor? Layman. Alright, now I have to. Okay, guys. Not. Hi, Martin. How are you?
Tired.
No.
Every time I play Valorant, my hands just freeze.
Get all the time in the world.
But they got a gift. Oh my god, I thought I was either gonna. The real game will either. You guys will probably think this is so. Oh god. Hey. Alright, guys, so here. Oh god. Oh my. Oh god, I just ate it. OMG shop. I love. Who dat? From B. Maybe just throw a little bit. I can get it. Waka wah, waka wah. Missed them. Lucy. Shuggy. Oh my god. Are these all V?
Yes.
Have you guys ever got a lap dance at a strip club? Not be poor anymore, obviously. Can't you? Oh.
Mr. Jakey.
OMG, Shaw, what are you doing? Like here. There's more. Oh yeah! Now I don't. Oh god. Only do a corner. Oh my bad. Crying stream. Who dat? From Beetlejuice? Four? Oh, sorry. Play. I can get it. People. I kind of like. Little Nightmares pisses me off. I'm good off that. I fucking You're the apple of my eye. Your stuff, but until you stream, what the fuck? Are you Lamar Jackson edit? I'm a Twitch baby now. No, you are not. Oh hell yeah, I am. To the hand. Sorry. Oh! Braden.
I'm just gonna stand right here. Too scary. God, there's a pig in front of us.
That thing's mean.
I'll fight both of you right now. 3 of you, actually. Oh my god, I thought I was either gonna burp or throw. The real game will either. Okay, but like, you want to know? You guys will probably think this is so nasty. I know I say all this. Oh god. Hey Dexter, how are you? Alright guys, so here's the plan. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Hopefully it's for me. Oh my god, guys. That interesting timing with the game. You're gonna let her put nobody yet. Yeah. Slave. He's just stupid and decided. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna throw up for. Because all my life, genuinely.
I have shield charges for you.
Oh my god, you do?